Guys, welcome once again to this episode, and we are going to continue our periodic maintenance, but this will be the overview as I did last time. Today we are going to look about more things about engine oil, the viscosity, how to schedule proper maintenance, how to schedule proper maintenance, and things that you're supposed to perform when your maintenance schedule is due. So this and many more is coming your way on this platform. But please, if you haven't done so, and please, this is the first time of scrolling into this channel, consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to like the video, the like button, and please put your comment below in the comment section. I will also link more description and the link to the video description for you to know what kind of periodic maintenance, because I have done a lot of videos about that, and this is the overview. So we are going to gather everything in one and we will review it and also look inside what will be able to get benefit for it. So it's all about car maintenance, and how you keep your car safe is our priority. Eric Auto Center has a dedicated platform for car users and auto technicians for them to get and learn more information from this channel. So do so to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Please also help provide our Patreon account by supporting us. Then the link will also put in the video description. Be a patron to Eric Auto Center by donating a small amount of dollar, so that we can able to do more things on this platform to explore. So we are going to check about periodic maintenance. And what is periodic maintenance? Periodic maintenance is a strategy that requires maintenance tasks to be performed at set time intervals, while the vehicle is operational, similar to scheduled maintenance. Periodic maintenance activities are planned ahead of time and are performed without or with signs of deterioration. So this is it. And okay, so this is what we classify about periodic maintenance, and we are going to look about engine oil. Let's take a look at this thing. Okay, we have three types of car service or maintenance. The service most commonly referred to it is a full car service, but there are actually the three main types of car service. This service we have interim service, we have full service, and major service. What is interim service? What is full service? And then the major service. Most at times when you buy a brand new car, these are the things the seller required for the maintenance. Sometimes you can hear something about warranty. So in a 3-year or 4-year warranty, you need to send your car to that authorized sector for them to maintain your car for you for free. So the interim service is only thing check about this filters and oil levels, and we have major service, which sometimes you can able to top up the food system and then change the oil filter. But major service, you have to undertake oil filter, air cleaner, everything, engine oil, for you to know that the car is in a good shape. So these are the originated as graded according to their viscosity. That is the difference between the engine oil and the viscosity. So basically, the thick or time viscosity changes with temperature. Engine oils are multi-grade to cope with a wide range of operating temperatures. Activities: viscosity improves, give the oil on one viscosity when it's cold and another when it's hot. So we have two types of engine oil. We have API and then SAE, which is API represent American Petroleum Institute, and SAE also referred to as Society of Automobile Engineering, which is normally come from Europe and Asia, but API dominating in the system more. And these are the popular oil that most of people use in the system based on what we have used and the rating population. So we consider using that, and these viscosities are based on the temperature or the kind of area you use. Some people use some high grade oil, which is not helping their vehicle. But looking at the Western countries, we have cold temperatures, so most of the time you have to use tiny oil for you to get it as long as the car will also perform as well. So we have to take a look about this viscosity and what oil we have to use for our vehicle. Doing or using any oil for a vehicle also attracts to engine deterioration, or you can almost destroy a lot of things and you end up spend a lot of money. So buying a car is all about music and gain more earning from it. So we have to take a look at that and look for proper place to do your maintenance, whether your local garage or your service provider, but make sure you are in the right direction. So we are moving ahead, and this is a short definition about engine oil and the type of viscosity or the difference you know. So we have also the purpose of engine oil and what engine oil does in the car. Engine oil cools the system or works in support of the primary cooling system, which is responsible for cooling the engine. Number two, it cleans part of the motor oil additive package, detergent and dispensant. Number four, it absorbs things in the engine. And five, it seals a lot of things, which is leakage and all kind of absorb things. So these are the purpose of engine oil, and we move ahead with the next description, which will also look about the engine oil. So as I said, the engine oil, the main goal of the engine oil is to lubricate the engine parts which are in constant friction. It does reduce friction, which tend to increase wear and tear off. This is the solid description of the engine oil. So let's take a look about that, and we are going to continue with this. So we also have preventive maintenance and then periodic maintenance. So I said, like the service, you can also know that preventive maintenance is the regular and routine maintenance, as I did for the first time, and it equips an asset in order to keep them running in preventive any costly unplanned downtime from unexpected equipment failure. A successful maintenance strategy requires planning and scheduled maintenance of equipment before a problem occurs. So these are one of the benefits on it. We also have a misconception on it, and we will talk it later. So a full service is a complete check of a whole vehicle, which should be carried out annually, which is 12 months or every 12,000 miles. Or this service can take around 3 hours to complete this thing, which is basically for synthetic oil users, and it depends on your location. So we also have the major service. A major service is one of the most important service that your car will receive. It is essentially a complete overall check of the vehicle. Everything included in a full service is in a major car service, plus even more in-depth check. Spark plug, you have to check brake fluid, suspension and fuel filter. These are what we call major service. So take note about that, and please consider to subscribe to this channel for more update and also routine information. So we have routine maintenance. Routine maintenance also refers to these activities such as regular inspection of machine services. Routine maintenance is also done on a regular basis, whether that be daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. Routine maintenance is an important part of keeping system up to date and functional. So let's take a look about it, and welcome to Eric Auto Center. So a full service also refers a complete check of the whole vehicle, as I said earlier. And lastly, what are the different types of car service you have to take? This is for car users. So basically, people do ask me the type of maintenance or inspection maintenance, and this inspection or the maintenance that I will have for you, you have to take a look at it and make it usefully whenever you want to perform maintenance or whenever your maintenance is due. So properly, vehicle maintenance and inspect things are as follows. Make sure you check your oil and coolant levels. That's number one. Number two, check your oil filter. Number three, tire pressure and tread depth. We have 4, headlight, turn signal, brake and parking light. We have oil and filter, which for that one mandatory you have to change it when you perform oil change. We have tire rotation, and then we have wax vehicle. So lastly, you have to check your transmission fluid every 2 years and above. for you, whether it's a manual or automatic transmission. You have to check it and perform it well to escape this kind of transmission problem. So these are the basic information and the major maintenance you have to take whenever your maintenance schedule to go. This is the end of today's presentation, and you are welcome to Eric Auto Center once again. Consider subscribe to this channel and share to many people to also get benefit. Until we meet next time, I thank you all. Bye bye.